Hello guys, and welcome back. We're going to be talking about fruits and vegetables today. In this English lesson, we're going to learn about the fruits and vegetables that you can eat that can help you detox your body, to keep your bodies lean and strong. Lean and mean like a strong running machine. But before we get started, guys, please like my page, like my video, and also hit that subscribe button down there for me. If you have not already subscribed, it would be greatly appreciated. So, what can help you detox your body? Fruits and vegetables. The experts say you should eat fruits before you eat your meals. Me personally, I like to eat fruits with my meal. So who knows? So let's get to the lesson. Listen to the pronunciations, and here we go. Here are some of the vegetables. Tomato, cucumber, white onion, purple onion, garlic, carrot, lettuce, red cabbage, white cabbage, radish, eggplant, mushroom, zucchini, yellow pepper, red pepper, artichoke, corn, beet, broccoli, avocado, spinach, cauliflower, celery, red chili, green chili, sweet potato, green bean, asparagus, olive, pumpkin, fennel, spring onion. And here are some lists of some fruits, okay? Listen to the pronunciations. Apple, orange, pear, peach, grapefruit, apricot, date, passion fruit, black cherry, red cherry, green grapes, black grapes, plum, mandarin, ooh, one of my favorite, guava, watermelon, melon, pineapple, fig, banana, strawberry, papaya, raspberry, lemon, pomelo, cranberry, coconut, pomegranate, kiwi, and the last one, mango. So that is the list of the vegetables and fruits. If you can have some of these fruits and vegetables added into your diet daily, it will help you detox. Of course, water is necessary and it helps with detox, with detox. Water helps with detox, but nothing detox you better than water is your fruits and vegetables. Until the next lesson, guys, have a great day. Don't forget to hit that like button. It's very important for you to hit that like button if you like the videos. And of course, hit that subscribe button. And if you have not already subscribed, subscribe. And as always, it